Avocado oil is quickly becoming one of the most popular oils in the world due to its incredible nutrient profile and health-promoting abilities. You can add avocado oil to many different types of recipes, use it for cooking, or simply add it to your favorite smoothie. Let's discuss some of the incredible health benefits of eating avocado oil consistently. First, avocado oil is incredibly heart healthy. Studies have found that avocado oil can help to lower blood cholesterol levels while also increasing good HDL cholesterol. It can also help to reduce blood triglyceride concentrations. If that wasn't enough, avocado oil can help to naturally lower blood pressure and reduce the risks associated with heart disease. Avocado oil is also a great source of healthy fats. This oil contains high levels of a monounsaturated fatty acid known as oleic acid, which promotes our health many different ways, such as promoting heart health. It also contains good amounts of polyunsaturated fat and omega-3 fatty acids, while being low in saturated and trans fat. It can also help those individuals who are suffering from arthritis symptoms. Not only can avocado oil help to reduce inflammation around the joints, often caused by this disease, but it can also help to reduce both pain and stiffness associated with osteoarthritis. Avocado oil is also high in inflammation-reducing antioxidants, which can help to reduce symptoms associated with arthritis. Avocado oil can also help with digestion and boost nutrient absorption from the healthy foods we eat. This is incredibly important when it comes to getting enough vital nutrients from our diet. Studies have found that consuming avocado oil can help improve the absorption of carotenoids and other antioxidants in the foods we consume. As well, it can also help with the absorption of beta-carotene and lutein. Lastly, consuming avocado oil consistently can help to improve the overall health and look of our skin. Due to its great nutrient and antioxidant profile, this healthy oil can help to neutralize skin-damaging free radicals in the body and reduce oxidative stress. As well, the healthy fatty acids can help to enhance the skin's appearance and reduce skin-related ailments such as psoriasis. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.